Greetings everyone and welcome to another episode of Road to Be Proficient in Python, and on today's challenge we have lists. So consider a list and we initialize a list like so, and you perform the following commands. Insert I, E, which insert and insert E at position I, print the list, removes the element E, insert E, okay, append E, it inserts the integer E at the end of the list, sort the list, pop the last element of the list, reverse the list. So we initialize and read in value of n followed by n lines of command, where each of the command will be the one of the types of these 7 types here. We iterate through each command in order and perform the corresponding operation on your list. Okay, so we have 4 commands here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each of them have the command, and if it has an argument, we pass the argument like so afterwards. Let's start. So we already have the n, so we will do a for loop. We don't care about the index. Range in n, because we have n commands. In range. And here we loop, we read the commands, and we will have a variable called commands c, and one that will take all the arguments, so args, and we will say input, and we will split the input. So this asterisk here will unpack the tuples, and it will make a list like this thing here, 0, 5. It will make it like a 0, 5 list. It will convert it into a list. So here we read it, and now we have the argument, so we can make some if else's. So we have 7 cases, so we need to go through all of them. So if cmd equal insert, we can make a dictionary. Yeah, we will see. If it's insert, then we can do something like, oh, we don't have the list. So here we will make the list. List. Our list here will be, let's say, my list, and in this list, my list, we will insert our args 0, args 1. I want to. Else if our command is print and my list print. Oh yeah, it's elif. What happened? Print my list. A leaf. We have if command is remove, then my list dot remove, and we need the value to remove, so args 0. I don't think we need to give index. Yep, we don't. So have elif command equals to append. Then we have my list dot append, and we need an object here, and args 0, because I'm lazy I copy paste this one. Then we have pop, which is my list pop, and our I don't think we need. Do we pass here? No. Have sort. We have sort. Sort. And we have reverse. It's reverse. So if we if we print, if we run the code, we have a time error. Oh, we need to convert the args. We need here too. If we run the code now, 1, 5, 6, 9, 10, 6, remove 6. It's integer, so it should be right? Why it doesn't make sense? The remove is the first terms of integer in. Remove 6, it should remove the 6. I don't understand. I think oh yeah, this space here. Sorry guys. Yeah, now we're good. And if we submit our code, it passes all the cases. That was it. I hope you like it, and see you in the next one.